Hi. Every year we have one fixed question in JEE Mains, that is whether the given equations are consistent or inconsistent, or else they may say that the system of equations are inconsistent, then find the values of some unknown quantities A, B, C they will give, or it is a consistent and find the values of A, B, C they will give like this. So what we do here is to find the consistency, we go to a very shortcut method. We can call it as a Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule tells us that how to find out whether the given equations represents a consistent system or an inconsistent system. See, the method is very simple. What the method tells us, suppose let the system of equations, let the system of equations be, I will take one simple example of two variables a1x, b1y, this is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y, this is equal to c2. What the method tells us is, Cramer's rule what he tells us is, you find the determinants that are named as, one is delta. Delta is nothing but, it is a determinant formed by coefficients of xy in both the equations. It can be expandable for any 3 cross 3, 4 cross 4, 5 cross 5 like that. Okay. So then it is A1, it is B1, A2 and B2. This is our delta. And we go for delta 1, where the delta 1 is nothing but, it is the first column in the delta is replaced by, constants present in these two equations, C1, C2, B1, B2. And then delta 2, it is nothing but, first column is same, where A1, A2, C1, C2. And then he tells us that you can find the value of x, where x is given by delta 1 divided by delta, and y value is given by delta 2 divided by delta. Now if you have, the equation contains three different variables, definitely you will have one delta, delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3. Similarly, x ka value delta 1 by delta, y is delta 2 by delta and z is delta 3 by delta. So this is the basic method, and using this equation you have a question how to find the solutions. See, if these are the solutions, xy value are the solutions, no? Then very simple, there is a very important factor, denominator. When the denominator is non-zero, obviously you can say that there exists a solution. So in the consistency, we can talk like that, the system is consistent or there exists a unique solution when delta is not equal to 0. When delta is not equal to 0, then system is consistent. System is consistent. Then system is consistent. It's a very simple it is. The next we come to the delta 1 and delta 2. Very important. Delta 1 if it is 0, this is 0, then the problem arises. Suppose delta 1 and delta 2 are non-zero. When delta is 0, suppose if it is 0, delta 1 and delta 2 are also 0. And delta 1 is 0, delta 2 is 0. Then system is once again consistent. System is consistent and has infinite solutions. Very important it is, infinite solutions. Correct. Now the last case is when delta is 0, whereas and delta 1 equal to, delta 1 is non-zero or else delta 2 is non-zero, then system is inconsistent. Then there is no solution. See, it is very simple. Very simple it is. Every year, if you remember, only these three very important notes. One is delta is not equal to 0. Obviously, you can say simply it is a consistent. Delta is 0. It makes you to two important things. When these two are non-zero, zero, then it is consistent and they are having infinite solutions. When it is 0 and these two are non-zero, any one of them is non-zero, then you can say it is inconsistent and then there is no solution for this one. It's a very simple method. Please apply this and you can get answer within short of 1 or 2 minutes. Within 1 minute you can get. Thank you.